Hello everyone, I am Kurt Christian Ricklove Siaba, and today I'll discuss linear DE of order 1. So here, I have an example so that we'll have to answer it later on. So, example, find the general solution of y prime equals 1 plus 3y tan x. So the solution is, the given DE can be written as like this, dy over dx, because dy over dx is equal to y prime. So you have just to switch this 3y tan x, you have to switch like this, 3 tan x of y equals 1, because you change the y prime into dy over dx. So the follow is, where p of x is equals to negative 3 tan x and f of x is equal to 1. So here guys, so the integrating factor is u of x equals e integral p of x dx. So you have to apply the integrating factor into this where p of x is like this. So equals negative 3 tan x and f of x. So you have just to substitute right here to get you the solution. So so you have to get up the given 3. So 3 integral minus tan x dx equals e 3 integral tan x is equivalent to negative sine x equals over cos x, just is like the same. So you have just to break it apart or separate it just to get the final answer of integrating factor. So e integral negative sine x over cos x dx equals e, when you differentiate this, when you have to find the answer of negative sine x over cos s is equal to ln, because du over u is equivalent to ln. So you have just to copy the cos x. So 3 ln cos x equals e ln of cos x up to 3. So you have to read it e ln cos x to the power of 3 or variable 3. So you have to get the cos 3x. So therefore guys, in order to get the general solution, you have to substitute the integrating factor to this method so that you'll get the final answer. So u of x of y equals integral u of x times f of x dx. So u of x is equivalent to cos 3x, like the one that we answered lately. So you have to substitute here, then you see this y, we have just to copy it. So equals integral u of x also, so you have just to put here the answer of integrating factor, so cos 3x times dx. So therefore you have to switch sides here so that you'll get the more process of general solution. So equals integral cos x open parenthesis 1 minus sine 2x dx, because 1 minus sine 2x is already also equivalent to cos x. So you have just to separate it, so like this. After that, you have to follow the process of doing the general solution. So integral cos x dx minus sine 2x cos x dx. So right here we have to use the power formula, so we can get so that the number 3 or the variable will divide it from the other variables, so that no one will ever put the denominator on here, the final answer. So sine x minus sine 3x over 3 plus c. So the 3 divided by all of the variables here. So y cos 3x, sine x, and sine 3x, the answer will become 3y cos 3x equals 3 sine x minus sine 3x plus c. So that you will get the general solution of the problem y prime equals 1 plus 3y tan x. That's all. Thank you.